Hi my loves, welcome back to another video. If you are new to this channel, you guys, my name is Allison, and hey, I hope you like what we have going on over here. In today's video, you guys, I am so freaking happy because I'm finally getting one step closer to get my bed. That's the goal. But before we do that, y'all, we have to finish with the walls, and I literally have one more thing left to, well, it's a couple steps up, but it's pretty much one thing. So I do want to give you like a little view of everything so far. Everything has been primed, like the walls have been primed twice. I went texture crazy with the texture. It feels nice and like it feels good. Like, yes, there's edgy, but it still feels really smooth, I guess. I don't know if that's the word for it, but yeah, I added a lot of texture to not only the panels but the actual wall, so that looks just really good on both sides. Again, here is pretty much primed, this prime, and then I did do one coat of primer on the ceiling. So all of the sockets and stuff and the vent covers and everything, instead of putting it back up there, like all the covers and stuff back up there white, or the color that they are was kind of like a off-white for the sockets, I bought some white primer. I'm gonna set it on something so it won't get stuck, but I'm gonna spray paint them white, just lightly spray paint them with the primer, and then at the end of everything I'm gonna put the lime wash color on there, so when I put it back on the wall it kind of like blends in. Like the only color that you'll see is the actual socket, like the insert for the socket. But yes, let's go and grab the lime wash. I have one little tub of the mineral primer. It is, I forget how much it says it's in here. Oh duh, it's 1 gallon in here, and then 2 gallons of the actual lime paint. Again, you guys, like always, I'm pretty intimidated, but I also can't wait for this stuff to be done. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the materials and everything that I need so I can go ahead and at least start the cutouts so we can go ahead and get started. So I'll be right back. Yeah, okay, so it's been a little bit of time since I did the mineral primer. I will say I'm literally almost out. I only got 1 tub of it just because when I read the description, it was basically saying that I needed 1 tub, but maybe the math isn't mathing. It's really thick, and I was seeing that the actual lime wash was really thick and they watered it down, so I was thinking when I saw the primer, like the mineral primer, when I saw that that was thick, I was like, okay, I can water it down. And me watering it down is definitely like allowing me to get almost the entire room. I feel like I can really stretch what's left, but it's like I'm really stretching what's left. It's gonna determine whether I need to stretch about it or not, because like I said, I diluted the whole dang, like the application of everywhere of this mineral, I diluted it with water. And if this doesn't give on the baseboard, but it gives on this and probably not even enough, then yeah, I need to go and get like a lot of the mineral based primer. But fingers crossed that it's okay without it, because I just need to see. I need to see if it's whenever I got time for it. So give me a second.
2 seconds later.
guys. Okay, so today is the next morning. I'm not gonna lie, of course I'm gonna ramble first, but I was a little nervous because like I was telling you guys yesterday, it's a little bit more left. Like it's literally a little bit more left, but I've been telling you guys that I've been stretching it, you know, by putting water in it, like adding water to it, and like trying to make it cover everything. And I didn't do like the baseboards or some cutouts. I was nervous that it wasn't going to show, but honestly it looks good. Like I low-key don't know, feel like it's showing up as good as it is on camera. It definitely needs like one more coat. I don't care that the baseboards don't have the texture like that. Like I at least want the, you know, the colors to blend, so that's good enough for me, but definitely the texture gives. But yeah, you guys, so I'm just gonna throw on a little video, maybe like a vlog or something, just for background noise, something that's interesting, so I can motivate me to continue on, because I don't really want to listen to like music. I don't know, like vlogs and like podcasts has literally, like in sermons, like especially from Sarah Jakes and her father, like that has been my go-to thing, like allowing me to be productive and just hear that noise in the background, or you know, whether like it's a word or I don't know, more than music, honestly. But yeah, I'm gonna knock this out as much as I can. It looks really pretty. Like last night I wasn't sure, I'm just running out, sorry, but last night I was kind of nervous because I was like, dang, like is this gonna be too dark? And just like thinking about the furniture pieces and everything that's just gonna be in here, and I didn't want it to look white at all. Like I didn't want it to look white. Like I mean, it could have possibly been cute, I don't know, but I just feel like this color is not too cool and it's not too warm, and I feel like it's gonna go really pretty with the rug. Maybe I'm telling myself that because it's already on the wall. I don't know. I think it'll be cute. I think it'll be fine. I just gotta finish it, trust the process. Yeah, I'm trying not to psych myself out too much. But yeah, let me, I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on the tripod and go to work. So, see you in a minute. Hey guys, so it's some days later and this paper still on the floor. No, for real. I don't know what I said last or where we were last, but if I didn't say y'all, I'm finished. No, I'm done with the walls, the baseboards, all that's done. I do, however, need one more coat of lime wash on the ceiling, because I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's really giving like water damage. Like it's looking like it's water damage. So I thought I was gonna get away with like the little that I had, and I was trying to stretch it, but it looked real ghetto. So yeah, waiting on the lime wash to come in. It won't be in for a couple of days. So, and honestly, like I'm tired of coming in this room or walking past this room and it's looking like this. And I honestly just really want to see how I look like with the rugs. So I'm about to take it up. And it is risky business, but when I do go and do the lime wash on the ceiling, I'm gonna bring the paper out. I'm not gonna like tack it down like how I did. I'm gonna just put it in the area of where I'm lime washing and move it as I go and make sure there's no drippage. on the, you know, on the floor. Like yeah, because I just don't want to wait anymore. Like I gotta get the full. Like, and I even let me show y'all. I even finished with the covers, like the vent covers and stuff. I don't know if y'all can really tell the difference. Like, obviously this is the shade of color that I went for. I was doing a lime wash on there, but the material, it just was weird. So I went back and I found this in the garage. I remember that I had some, and this is the actual spray paint that I use on the balls that's in the living room, on my coffee table. And I sprayed these as well. So I feel like, although it's not lime wash, I feel like it gives. Like, you probably can't really tell. I mean, obviously it's not the exact same thing, but like, it's close to that color, so I feel like it'd be cute. Or, I mean, it kind of look the same. I'm just kidding. I don't know, like, no, the first one really gave like dirty off-white. Like dirty white. But this gives the name that it's called. I really wish that I could lime wash it though, because I feel like that'll be hard. But whatever. Yeah, I'm about to take this freaking plastic out and paper so I can see my rug. Oh, I need to take this tape off the windowsill too. Yeah, I'm gonna put y'all on the tripod, and then we finna get busy. And I need to clean up like the rest of the house, but I'm just like, I just want to see. So yeah. Score the paint from the wall. And like I said, like, I don't know if y'all can really tell, like, pulled it up some, but I'm hoping that when I pull the tape up, it goes underneath the rug. Oh, I did. I'm sorry, I got too happy. Yes, I just hope it's like that all the way around. Oh my goodness. Like, yes, it damaged like the bottom piece of it, but I don't care. Like, baby, because you can't see it, period. Oh, it's gonna be so cute.